Imagine you're at a coffee shop, sipping your latte and browsing the internet on your laptop. You think you're safe, but what if someone is secretly intercepting your online communications? This is known as a man-in-the-middle (MITM) attack. Let's break this down. A MITM attack occurs when a hacker intercepts communication between two parties, often to steal sensitive information. In a legitimate communication, data is transferred directly between two parties, and it's encrypted to ensure security. However, in a MITM attack, the hacker intercepts the communication, decrypts the data, and then establishes a fake connection with the intended recipient. This allows the hacker to read, modify, or even inject malware into the communication. There are several types of MITM attacks. One common type is Wi-Fi hacking, where hackers intercept communication over public Wi-Fi networks. Another type is DNS spoofing, where hackers manipulate DNS responses to redirect users to fake websites. SSL stripping is another type, where hackers downgrade HTTPS connections to HTTP, making it easier to intercept sensitive information. The consequences of MITM attacks can be severe. In 2022, over 1.4 million users were affected by MITM attacks, resulting in estimated losses of $1.4 billion. Moreover, 60% of organizations have experienced MITM attacks, highlighting the need for robust security measures. So, how can you detect a MITM attack? Look out for unusual network activity, such as unfamiliar devices on your network or browser warnings indicating insecure connections. These can be signs that a hacker is intercepting your communication. To prevent MITM attacks, use secure communication protocols like HTTPS. This ensures that data is encrypted and can't be intercepted by hackers. Additionally, use a virtual private network (VPN) when browsing public Wi-Fi networks, and keep your software and operating system up to date. A notable example of an MITM attack is the 2017 Equifax breach, where hackers exploited a vulnerability in Apache Struts to intercept sensitive information of over 147 million users. This breach highlights the importance of robust security measures to prevent MITM attacks. In conclusion, MITM attacks are a significant threat to online security. To protect yourself, use secure communication protocols, VPNs, and keep your software up to date. Stay safe online. Next video, how to secure your data with encryption. We'll dive into the world of encryption and explore how it can help protect your sensitive information.